My name is Mark Jones. I'm the principal of Gower College Swansea. It's great to see the revival in both furniture manufacturing and fashion, and clearly that revival will give new people the opportunity for new jobs, to develop their skills for career progression, which I think is wonderful based on the reputation of the industry in that area. Of course, one of those opportunities at the moment is for sewing machinists, which are in huge demand.
Gower College is the only Welsh government-approved fashion and textile apprenticeship provider in Wales for levels 2 to 4, and we are a proud educational partner of the UK Fashion and Textile Council.
An apprenticeship has set me up for life. I was getting paid to do it as I was learning, and it's kind of just worked out well into what I'm doing now.
People have been working 40 odd years in the trade. It's something once you're in, you tend to want to stay in. We're looking for influx of youth. It's a golden opportunity.
So I went to a Port Talbot Skills Centre for 12 weeks, and then I went straight up to Christy Tyler's as a trainee machinist, and then we went on to a prep line, and then from a prep line you go on to the machines. That was 40 years ago.
I've been in and out the industry for approximately 32 years. There's always something new to learn. Give it a try, you've got nothing to lose. It could be a skill for life.
There's lots of opportunities for youngsters to get a job for life in the sewing industry, definitely.
We're hiring sewing machinist apprentices to put skill set back in, to strengthen the whole environment of upholstery in this area, and all companies around you just make them stronger and safer for future generations to work in.
We need younger people to come through and do it. It's a skilled job, and we don't want the trade to die out. We want to keep this going and keep it in Wales and keep doing what we're doing and making furniture. Being a sewing machinist is a job for life, and it's a highly skilled job, and I couldn't recommend it enough.
And that's where the college comes in. So Gower College Swansea's role is to support those businesses, to develop those people's skills, which are really important for those industries to succeed. Most of that is done through an apprenticeship program, which gives individuals the opportunity to earn at the same time as they are learning. And I can only recommend it very strongly indeed, as giving people the opportunity to move into that fast-moving, dynamic furniture and fashion sector.
If you have any questions or want more information on what's available to you, please just get in touch with us at Gower College Swansea, and we can help you every step of the way.